At first glance, the artist appears confident. Line after line lands on the page without hesitation. But that assumption would be incorrect. What they are using is an unusual curse technique passed down among artists who refuse to plan ahead. Lines accumulate. Those lines become shapes. And before anyone realizes it, something resembling an image begins to form. Even the user doesn't fully understand the process. In fact, at this very moment, they're likely just as surprised as the viewer.